Hi everyone, this is Lynette. I am getting ready to do a relaxer on my client hair. I put relaxer around the perimeter section of her hair. I do like to saturate the relaxer on the back and side sections of my client's hair because I like it extremely smooth and sleek. Right here, what I'm doing is I am relaxing the regrowth section of my client's hair. And I want to focus on not overlapping the product. I want to only relax the regrowth sections of my client's hair. If you overlap onto color treated hair, your client can receive hair breakage. So I'm going to only relax the regrowth sections of her hair. I will not go in and comb the hair, but I am going to just push the product through. And basically what I'm doing right here, this is my hydrating treatment. This is my ultra rich moisture mask treatment. And this is my intensive repair oil treatment. I love to mix these two products together. I cocktail them together. It really helps to add and seal in moisture. It helps to strengthen the client hair. It helps with breakage, and it just goes in to hydrate the client's hair extremely well. Anytime I am doing color treated hair, I always like to go in and treat the sections where the client hair color, because I do not want my client experiencing any breakage. I want the hair to be extremely hydrated, and I like the hair to be strengthened. So I always go in just before I go in with my final color. I like to go in and do my hydrating treatment, which is my ultra rich moisture mask treatment and my intensive oil repair treatment. And I mix the two together, and it gives the hair a lot of strength. Now here what I'm doing is I am putting on Color by Matrix. This is their So Color Cult, and this is the Royal Purple. It's going to make the hair look black, but some sections will look purple. Now right here is my Ultra Rich Repair and Protect Leave-In Conditioner. It is very light in weight, so that means it won't weight the hair down. It helps with thermal protection, so it'll protect your hair against like flat irons and curling irons. Also, it really goes in to help with breakage. So I absolutely love that. So right here, what I'm doing is just waving the hair. And you all know you just do C-sections, like C-like shapes, and it gives you a nice wave pattern. Now, I do want to thank everyone who has purchased my product. I truly thank you for that. I thank you all for all of the support. I am truly grateful for that. And I just want you guys to know that my hairline is a professional hairline. This is a luxury hairline, and it's filled with premium hair ingredients. So I'm truly grateful and thankful for all of the people and girls, I don't know, guys, who watch my videos, and you all supporting me. I truly thank you all for that. And y'all, I just want y'all to like my videos, share them, comment. They say when they like your videos, it helps out. I don't know, y'all. This is new to me. So I am just super grateful. So right here, what I'm doing is, this is my intensive repair oil treatment. And like I said, it helps to seal in moisture. It helps with rapid hair growth. And if you're dealing with dry, itchy scalp, it helps with that. So I'm just pushing the product through right before I get ready to curl my client's hair. And it just really helps the hair. It's just so sleek and smooth. Now right here, I am recurling my waves. Now when you do that, it just gives the hair a dimensional look. And as you can see, I'm pressing into the curl. And remember, when the hair is hot, the hair has memory once it cools down. So you can just kind of push that curl in, and it just really helps to define the curl. Now, the flat irons that I'm using are by Glam Palm. you can go to their website. I will leave a link down below, and you can go to their website because I have a lot of questions about the flat irons. And you can purchase them. They are professional grade flat irons, so you know it's an investment. So, and I'll leave the link down below for my products also, just so all you can get to know me more. I'll leave my Instagram, I'll leave my website, I'll leave everything down below so you all can get to know who I am. And also, guys, again, make sure you comment and like the video. And, you know, y'all tell me what y'all want to see. Y'all tell me what y'all would like to see. Now, I will tell you this. I absolutely don't do weave anymore. I stopped doing weave because I find that it caused traction alopecia. And traction alopecia, it really kills the papillae of the hair. And I do have another video that is coming up real soon, and I will be going into more details about traction alopecia. But I do have a video here on my channel about traction alopecia. I will leave the link down below about that one. But I have another video that I'm getting ready to do, and I'm going to speak more in detail about traction alopecia. But any other things that y'all like to know about when it comes to real hair, you know, y'all give me y'all suggestions and I'll work on it. You know, I'll work on it and show y'all, you know, share with y'all what I know how to do. So yeah, make sure y'all comment and tell me what you like. Let me know if I'm doing a good job. Yeah, just help me out. I'm trying to figure this thing out when it comes to YouTube. So I'm trying to grow, because when I first started out on YouTube, I used to do a lot of hair extensions. But like I said, as I learned better, I started doing better. And so I do not offer any weave services. And so I'm just trying to figure this out and see what you all like, because this is what I love. I love to do hair, real hair, and I really like to help to keep the hair extremely healthy. You know, the hair can be super short, but I still like to keep the hair extremely healthy. When you come to my salon, I offer a lot of hair treatments, and I really try and educate my clients on, you know, things that they can do to protect their hair. So whatever you guys would like to see, just give me some feedback so that I can know. And like I said, I don't offer anything that comes with weave. I don't do anything when it comes to weave, because I know that hair extensions, it really kills the hair. So I really don't offer that service anymore. And as y'all can see, you see how when you go in and just curl on top of the hair, it just gives the hair a more of a 3D dimensional look. That's me, y'all. Hey. Now right here at the top section of her hair, whenever you're curling the hair, to get an extremely tight curl, you always start at the base. And I like to really go slower and pull on the curl so that it can give you a nice curl pattern. So that's basically what I'm going to do throughout the top section of her hair. And like I said, I will leave the links down below to my Instagram, and I would like for you guys to go and check me out. You can follow me on all of my social media handles, and you can check out my website. And like I said, I will leave the link down below for the flat irons. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos, and start taking care of your hair and